In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Typeform form with ease. Whether you're making small tweaks or planning a complete overhaul, these steps will guide you through the process to ensure your form looks just the way you want it to. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to access your Typeform account, so go ahead and log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in your workspace, which essentially acts as your control center. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing forms. Simply locate the form you wish to edit and select it. This should be straightforward if you're familiar with your forms, but take a moment to ensure you've picked the right one, especially if you have multiple similar forms floating around. Now that you have your chosen form open, let's move on to editing its content. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the Content panel. This is where you can dive into the nitty-gritty of your questions. Just click on any question, and you'll find options to modify its text, adjust answer options, or tweak its settings to better fit your needs. Whether you're revising existing questions or starting fresh from scratch, this flexible tool allows for in-depth customization. If you feel like adding more questions, it's super simple. Just click on the plus button you see. A menu will pop up, allowing you to choose from a variety of question types depending on what suits your form best. You can select from multiple choice questions, short text responses, or even ratings, whatever it is that fits the kind of data you want to collect. Alternatively, if you come across any questions that are no longer relevant or necessary, don't worry. Just hover over the question you want to remove and a trash can icon will appear. Click on that, and just like that, the question will disappear. It's quick and easy, making the editing process feel seamless. After you've sorted out your questions, it's time to shift your focus to the form's appearance. This is where the Design button in the toolbar comes in handy. When you click this, you'll gain access to a variety of options, allowing you to tailor the colors, fonts, and themes of your form. If you have specific branding guidelines or just a creative vision in your mind, you have the opportunity to either create a custom theme from scratch or modify an existing one to align better with your branding. Now, after you're satisfied with both the content and design of your form, it's crucial to preview your changes before finalizing everything. You'll notice an eye icon that allows you to preview your form. It's a great idea to check how everything appears so you can ensure it looks just as perfect as you envisioned it. Plus, for ease of access, there's a mobile icon as well, letting you see how your form will display on mobile devices. It's especially important to ensure that it's mobile-friendly and looks great regardless of how it's being viewed. And there you have it. You now have the tools to effectively edit your Typeform, perfectly catering to your needs, whether they're professional or personal. This platform empowers you to create engaging and visually appealing forms easily. Thanks for watching, and happy form editing. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating helpful content just like this.